Victoria, Victoria, you look terrifyingly worried. What is the problem?
Bro, Chief is dead.
What Chief?
Chief Douglas is dead.
This is incredibly heartaking. How can this be?
The doctors just confirmed it now. Bro, I'm in so much pain. I'm in so much pain.
Same as me. The Chief was very, very, very nice.
Apparently, nice is not enough.
How do you mean?
Because when death comes knocking at your door, nothing, absolutely nothing can save you.
I think this is the right time. I have to give the last respect to the Chief. Good night, Chief.
Babe, you need to stop, okay? Listen, you don't need to be too hard on yourself, okay? I know how you feel. I know what you're passing through right now. Remember, I lost my parents. So I understand. You need to stop sobbing and crying and hurting yourself. You need to take it easy on yourself, especially because of your own health.
What will I do without my father?
Darling, you can do a lot of things. In fact, everything. Because the Chief that I knew trained a very formidable, strong, smart, and intelligent woman.
Where is she?
She's standing right next to me. And she's my wife.
I don't possess such qualities.
As a matter of fact, you do. And even more. You know, the thing is, babe, we don't plan for those things. They just happen. People come and go. Come on.
You still had so much to do. I don't know why, God. Why would God do this to me?
You know, these are questions we will never have answers to. But then again, we need to move on. All right? Come on.
He was my everything. My father was my everything.
I know. Your father was a great man. He was an incredible figure. But then again, you still have me. Okay? Come on, let's go inside. Victoria.
Sorry for your loss.
Thank you. He was a good man. But his death was inevitable.
Yeah, but it was accelerated.
We don't know that. No, Victor. You have to brace yourself up, okay? There's no need to be moody. By the way, anything from your father's attorney?
My father's attorney? What about him? He's fine.
I thought by now he would reveal the contents of your father's will.
Nathan, my father died 2 weeks ago and you're here talking about the will reading? Even I am not that desperate.
This is not about being desperate, Dad, okay?
Then where is this coming from?
I guess it's coming from a place of fear.
Fear? What fear?
You know, I just feel maybe you want to understand, okay? I mean, I wish I could have a clue of what's inside of it.
And if you're worried about me not getting my father's properties because I'm a woman or because I'm an only child, then you don't need to worry, because that's not going to happen.
No, babe, no. I promise you that's not what I'm worried about.
Then what are you worried about?
Well, you know what? Never mind. Listen, you need to listen to what I'm telling you, okay? You have to tell that lawyer of yours to modify the will that he just read.
Is everything okay with you? How can you ask me to modify my father's will?
Because you have to.
Why do I have to?
But for starters, only you managing all those companies and balancing up, it's just too much.
Well, I see that as a me problem, not a we problem.
It's a we problem. Because I'm your husband and you are my wife and I am worried about this.
Fine, so what would you rather have me do?
Simple. Why don't you step aside and relinquish your position to somebody else, other than yourself?
So who is this someone else?
Hey, anyone, aside to you.
Why not me though?
Well, because you are a wife. You can't handle all of this, handle 4 companies by yourself. I mean, your father tried to do it, but he had to delegate to other people.
Well, I'll try my best.
This is not about trying your best, okay? Even your dad could not handle this alone. He had to delegate to other people.
Well, my father did it until he fell ill.
That is different. Your father was a man. You, on the other hand, are a married woman.
Listen, my father put this responsibility on me. And I am not about to fail him. Do you understand?
Babe, you are not failing him. I need you to understand where we stand at this point. You are a married woman, okay? You cannot balance things up.
Okay, hold on a second. Is this about me being a woman? Me being married? Or is there something else you're not telling me?
Which is?
I don't know. Tell me.
Babe, come on. Babe, we're still talking about this. Babe! Babe!
The heat is contagious and elaborate. I don't know why they are starting their wrestling.
Well, I think I know why.
I kindly place it in my brain so that, because I'm lost.
The newly wedded wife is about to get really busy, and the husband is scared because he doesn't want to lose his wife because of the fact that the new job is going to be very strenuous.
You have a point. But how do you know this?
Well, because instead of speaking big grammar and long sentences, I decided to be observant.
Are you insulting me?
How about Prof? No, now. As a matter of fact, it's a compliment. On a more serious note, you didn't further your education, but you're still very passionate. That's actually commendable.
I wanted to be a professor or a soldier, but my dream failed when I was still younger because of liquid and connection.
What is liquid?
Money, of course.
Oh, okay.
That is why at this my old age, I still want to live my life in the reality of my dream in the decade.
Well, as long as it makes you happy, you can carry on.
Without kobo or naira of doubt, I will carry on. But I'm worried.
About what?
The death of Chief. I think the family may not need our services anymore. So we have to be expecting our sack letter.
On the contrary, I think you should be expecting a promotion letter instead.
How do you mean?
Watch out for the next scene. I have to go. All right.
Well, you both have been such good and diligent staff to my father.
Thank you, madam.
Well, for that reason, your services won't be required here anymore.
What? It's unexpectedly descending on or demoting, if I will be frank, madam.
Calm down, Prof. I wasn't done. What I meant was I don't know what to do with this house yet. But till I decide, I think both of you should walk directly from my house.
Wow! This is the best news in the country.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for the opportunity to be able to walk beside you.
You're welcome.
When are we leaving, ma'am?
Oh, in a few days.
Why are we doing the machine parade?
Prof, there's no match in our parade, okay? Just pack up your things and we can go.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
How do you cope with him?
I just understand him perfectly well. Sometimes his grammar is off.
But we can't tell him
No,
that,
we
can we? All right, let me go inside.
All right, ma'am. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Just like I expected.
We should be expecting Victoria and Prof anytime soon.
Are they coming to visit you?
Oh no, they'll be coming to work for us from now
on. Us?
Yes, us.
Darling, I honestly do not think we have any need for a gatekeeper or a housekeeper.
Well, that was before. But you know I resume work tomorrow. I'll definitely have need for them because the work is going to be so crazy.
But darling, you know, you didn't even run it through me or seek my opinion before taking your own actions.
Maybe because I knew you were going to decline. Besides, I'm telling you now, aren't I?
Yeah, but then again, I can't eat strangers' food.
Victoria is not a stranger.
Yeah, that's a fact, but she's also not my wife.
Okay. I'll try my best to cook your meals. But when I can't, you just have to eat from Victoria's pot, okay?
Are you serious right now?
Yes, I'm serious.
Now my greatest fears are beginning to creep up on me.
Then, darling, you better fight your fears and overcome them, okay?
This is going to be a tough ride. Victoria, where are you?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. How was your night?
It was great, sir. How was yours?
Thank God. Where's my wife?
Oh, she's gone to work.
Oh, yes, of course. How early did she leave?
She left at 4:30 a.m.
4:30 a.m.?
Yes, sir. Today is her first day at work, so she was trying to beat traffic.
Oh, my goodness. It's happening already.
Sir, are you going to work today?
Sorry, what did you say?
Are you going to work today, sir?
Yes, I need to go prepare for work. I'll go to work today.
Okay, what should I make for you for breakfast?
You mean my wife did not make breakfast for me before she left?
No, sir. But I can make anything you want. I'm a fantastic cook.
Don't worry. Thank you, but I'll be fine. Okay?
Okay, sir. From the look of things, it doesn't seem like you're gonna be fine.
Hey, sweetheart.
Good morning.
Did you sleep that far? It's evening, not morning.
I'm very much aware of that. I just chose to start that way because you and I haven't seen eyeball to eyeball the whole of today.
I'm so sorry. I just didn't want to wake you.
Then why then did you wake me up? Excuse me. I was enjoying my sleep.
Where are you going?
I don't think I'm any more interested in this room. I'll sleep somewhere else.
Oh, it's too early for this now. You can't start making... I don't have time for this beggy thing. Oh, tired. Eh?
I miss the way we used to be when we were inseparable. You and me, the laughter, the joy, the endless talks. Now it feels like we're walking on different blocks. But I won't rest until I find our way back to the love we had yesterday. I'll do all I can.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Victoria. How was your night?
It was great, sir. I can't say the same for you because you decided to sleep here.
Oh, no, I'm fine. It's just that I had a lot of, Herculean tasks in the office. I was so tired, so fagged out. But I'm okay. I'm fine. Where is your madam?
She has gone to the office, sir.
No, I don't seem to remember sleeping with this though. It's quite funny.
Maybe your wife brought it here, covered you with it.
That's very thoughtful of her. Anyway, thank you.
You're welcome. Prof, you're right. Everything is not intact between him and his wife.
I believe it's the office work.
Exactly.
But Mr. Nathan, I think he's jealous of his wife.
How do you mean?
Maybe he wants his wife to step down so that he can assume the position. That is why he's frustrating the young woman.
Frustrating. Are you even living inside with them? Nobody's frustrating anybody. They're just losing connections.
And who are you taking side with?
Mr. Nathan. All he wants is his wife's time. He just wants her around. I mean, it's not been up to 3 months that they got married and all of this is happening. Madam should step down, I beg.
Me, I stand with Madam. She's trying to protect the legacy that her father left behind. What if his husband assumed the office and go and get settled with another woman?
Prof, where is this one coming from?
I have to think deep. We can consider it as an option. I think he married her because of her father's sweat. That is why he killed the poor man.
Prof!
It may sound weird, but we can consider it as an option.
Prof, look, Mr. Nathan would never do a thing like that.
For how long have you known him? Wait. Are you calling him by his name?
It was a slip of tongue.
Oh, that's a gigantic, titanic discovery that can cause panic. Victoria, who are you? And what are you up to?
I am Victoria, the housekeeper.
Good morning, darling.
What's so good about the morning?
Oh, I was just about to leave for work and I realized the front door was locked. Do you have the keys?
Yes, I have the keys, but no one is going to work today.
Okay, I didn't plan for that. I need to go.
Yeah, neither did I plan for this. You know, darling, you and I are spending the whole day together.
We can plan this for another day. It doesn't have to be today.
We're doing this today. All right?
Please, Nathan, I have a general meeting scheduled this morning. I need to go.
I don't care. You are the boss. You can easily postpone the meeting.
It doesn't work like that.
You know what? It doesn't really matter whatever you choose to say because whatever you say, I still will not release this case to you.
Okay, Nathan, please, I'm done playing. Open the door.
And what is going to happen if I don't open it?
I'll call the police.
And when you call the police, what exactly do you intend telling them?
Well, I'll tell them my husband is trying to kidnap me or whatever. I don't care if they believe me or not. All I want is for that door to be opened.
So you go that extra mile just to frame your husband up, simply because you want to go out to work today?
I don't think you should put it that way. If you cooperate with me, we won't have this problem or this discussion.
You know what? I've had enough of this. All right, just take the goddamn keys and go over to where you're going to. But just remember that whatever happens in this marriage going forward would be your responsibility.
Sir, I didn't know you were set already.
Oh, I'm already late for work. I'm rushing out now.
Okay.
What's in the bag?
Your lunch.
No, I'm not interested.
I wasn't the one that made it home.
Who made it?
Your wife.
My wife?
Yeah, she woke up very early this morning to make it. I even offered to help, but she refused. Seemed like she was trying to make up for something.
Are you really sure my wife made that?
Sir, I'm not lying. I was very shocked when I saw the both of you arguing. Plus, you're still sleeping when she's ready to go to work, so she asked me to give it to you. Have a nice day, sir.
Yeah, have a night.
You can't do no wrong, sir.
Vicky,
Prof, why are you looking at me like that? What is it?
you see, from point A to point B, from the adjacent to the rectangle, I now conclude you are a two-edged sword.
Prof, what have I done again this time?
The food you gave to our boss, was it prepared by the madam?
No, you're right.
Then why did you lie about it?
Because I was trying to help. I mean, with what happened this morning, I'm pretty sure they would never speak to each other again. I only came in to help.
Are you doing that for madam or for yourself?
Prof, for everybody. Are you not tired of the misunderstandings? Haven't you even tried to come in?
I trust my move, but I don't trust yours. Yes.
Prof, you and I have been working together for years. Why the sudden lack of trust?
Ever since Chief died, there's something in you I can't place.
You know what? I just think you're overthinking things. It's just all in your head.
I hope so. But I am watching you. I am watching you.
Here.
Babe, what's going on?
Oh, good morning.
Are you traveling?
Yes, I thought I told you a couple of days ago.
Well, I mean, you could have at least reminded me.
Oh, I didn't know I needed to remind you. I didn't know you forgot.
Well, neither did I know when you would be leaving and how long you will be gone.
Oh, that. It was finalized yesterday. I'll be gone for just about 5 days.
5 days?
Yes, I have a lot to cover and I don't want to go back and forth. That's why I need to just stay there and finish it up.
Well, you know what? I totally do not agree with this trip. As a matter of fact, I don't approve it.
Well, darling, your disapproval is coming rather late. I'm set to go.
What do you mean? Are you saying as your husband, I can't even alter this?
You know I love you very much, but you also know you can't. Gotta go, okay? Ta-da! Mwah. Take care of yourself. Bye.
What's going on here?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Victoria.
Sir, please can I sit?
Sure.
Thank you. Madam traveled this morning.
Of course she did. Victoria, it's not like I'm trying to pry or poke into your private life. But there's this lady that I saw as a wallpaper on your phone. Who is she?
Sir, do you want to marry a second wife?
Oh, come on, of course not. I haven't even finished dealing with the one that I have. Besides, it's not a crime to admire a beautiful soul. Hmm?
Well, this might sound weird, but I don't know who she is.
Wait a minute, so you have the picture of a total stranger as your wallpaper?
Actually, I like the wig on her head, but I can't afford it, so I just put her there. Just looking at it gives me joy.
Oh my goodness. You see, at times I always think that women are from a different planet. What kind of analysis is that? I would never ever understand it. So, does it work for you?
Well, to some extent it does.
Out of curiosity though, how much is this wig?
It's about 250,000 naira, sir. Now you see how much of my salary that is.
Well, you do the calculation. Anyway, can you make me breakfast?
You want to eat my food?
Well, as you know, Madam has traveled and I am too lazy to make one for myself, so maybe you can help.
Okay, right away. I'll do it.
Aren't you going to ask me what I want to eat?
Don't worry, sir. I know the right thing to make, and you will love it. Trust me.
I hope I will.
Welcome, sir.
Oh, how are you, Victoria?
Fine, sir.
You are going somewhere?
Yes, I just want to get something down the road.
All right, before you do that, why don't you check this out?
Sir, is this what I think it is?
If you were talking about the wig that we spoke about, yes, that's what's in there.
Sir, thank you. Thank you very much. I don't know what to say.
You're welcome. Why don't you go find yourself a mirror and see how it fits?
Thank you very much, sir.
A newscaster need to visit the studio. I emanate the breaking news. But I will employ myself as a sender of the cordial and painful message. Before I do that, I need to carry out some investigation. I need to do.
Sir,
Wow.
how does it look?
Well, all I can say is you look definitely better than that stranger lady that I saw on the wall.
So you're good with words. No wonder Madam Better felt for you.
Thanks for the compliments, but sadly, mere words are not strong enough to hold bonds, right?
Thank you very much once again. I wasn't expecting this at all.
It's all right. You know, Victoria, you deserve way more than this. You know, you have been there for us, for me, in so many ways than you even know. And for that, I am in deep gratitude. However, the big question is, when and where do you intend to wear this to? Because as far as I know, you don't literally go anywhere. You just stay here in your uniform.
Well, I was planning on taking a leave soon. But even if I don't, I'll just take a picture with it. I'm fine.
Okay.
And I'm sure one of these days I'll be going for an event. So.
Take pictures with it. Okay. I was right when I said women are from another planet.
Sir, you don't want us to debate on that?
No, I'm definitely losing that argument. I know.
Thank you very much once again. I really do appreciate this, sir.
Thank you too.
Thank you, sir.
I have an iota, atom, or molecules of doubt that the two are up to something. But it happens in the movie. I know the end, and I have to possess the superpower to stop it. Where's my phone? I need to call Madam. Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Honey, you're back.
Yes, I am. How have you been?
Well, I've been fine. I'm perfect. I'm amazing.
Oh, listen, darling, I'm sorry for how I left the other day.
No, you don't need to apologize for anything. You did nothing wrong, okay? And it sort of made no difference. I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty much sure.
You seem quite happy. Anything new?
Really? Well, I just feel good within myself and all around.
What's the secret?
Darling, just no secret. Oh, by the way, I'm actually working on a very important document now, and I have a timeline I need to finish quickly, so I'll leave the room for you, and I'll just go finish up in the living room, yeah? I'll be in the living room.
Hey, darling. I have to go back to Abuja right now. I have a meeting tomorrow. I just got an email and there's nothing I can do about it.
Oh. Okay, that's fine.
Is that all you have to say?
What else am I supposed to say? Oh, yes, yeah, I have one. How long will you be staying for? 2 weeks, 1 month, maybe 2 months. Whatever, just have fun. I'll be fine, I'll be safe.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. As you can see, I'm happy, like, I'm busy, I'm working.
Yes, and that scares me.
Really? So let me ask you something. Does my sadness excite you?
No, not at all. Excuse me.
Yeah, just come home. And make sure you don't forget anything, okay? Yeah.
Prof,
Madam,
can I trust you?
Yes, anytime, madam. You can trust me.
I want you to tell me the truth.
About what, madam?
When I was away, did any strange woman visit this house?
Not to the sight of my naked eyes. I did not see any ladies coming in. But why are you asking, madam?
You want to know why I'm asking?
Yes.
Well, it's because my husband acts like he doesn't miss me. Like he doesn't need me, and everything is pointing in the direction of a strange woman.
Madam, you are far from the truth. Instead of suspecting a strange woman, you need to suspect the regular lady in the corner.
What do you mean?
I mean, she has been chatting and laughing with your husband.
Who are we talking about here?
Madam, Victoria.
What did you see?
She has created a bond with your husband and is highly suspicious.
Well, that's hardly nothing to prove a point. I mean, you and I are chatting and laughing, but does it really mean that we have anything in common?
Madam, I think...
You know what? Please. My husband cannot cheat on me with Victoria.
Madam, she's beautiful and pleasing to the eye of everyone.
Do you know what? Just forget we had this conversation, okay?
Madam.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you.
I wanted to call you before. But you need to listen to me. What have I done wrong? Oh. Over and out. Victoria. 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 So you are there.
Prof, what is it?
You see, now that the house is free, I think we need to talk.
Okay, I'm listening.
You see, if you have anything to do with our boss, this is the right time for me to quit. You have to quit now because Madam Betty, we'll be digging into you any moment from now.
Prof, how many times do I have to tell you that I have nothing to do with the boss? And how many times?
You see, with my scientific binoculars and spiritual tentacles, I have beheld a lot of things.
Like what?
Presentation and acceptance of gift.
Prof, he was just being nice.
That line sounds familiar. Like in a movie where a boss will pass some spermatozoa into a house girl. Boom, she's pregnant. And the housewife will leave the house. Then the house girl will turn to be the original wife. Very, very predictable.
Well, this is going to be different.
What makes it different?
Because this is real life. This is reality, not fiction. And if that's the ending you're expecting, I'm sorry, you're not going to get it.
You see, this is playing according to the script I have.
Prof, stop. Enough. Mr. Nathan is just being nice. Besides, I owe Madam Betty a lot. I would never, ever think of ruining her marriage.
Victoria, what did you owe Madam Betty?
Her father's life.
And what does that mean?
Shut the door when you leave.
I think I should intensify my detective assignment by the use of my prowess to uncover and to recover. Over. Out.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Victoria. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
Oh my goodness, you remembered.
Yes, I remember. The last time you celebrated, you were still dating Madam.
Yes. You have such an amazing memory. Thank you very much. I'm in deep appreciation.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you for the compliment.
You're welcome.
So tell me, what do you want to eat? I'll make anything you want.
Well, I'm fine. I don't think I want anything.
No, it's your special day, sir. And cooking something special for you is my only gift to you. I mean, I can't afford to buy a Rolex wristwatch.
A Rolex? You know, if you gave me a Rolex, I probably wouldn't accept it. I mean, I might even think you stole it.
I'm not a thief, sir.
I know, I'm just yanking your chain. You would never steal a pin. I know.
So tell me, what do you want to eat?
All right, since you insist, I will think about it and then I will place my order.
Okay. I'm on standby, waiting for your order. Just let me know when you want to eat something. I'll make anything for you.
I will.
All right, sir. Excuse
Thank
me.
you so much.
Happy birthday once again.
Thank you. Welcome back, honey.
What's this?
I should be the one asking you that.
I mean, I know I forgot your birthday and... Are you cheating on me?
I beg your pardon?
I mean, who brought the cake, the gifts, the notes?
Babe, you are getting me all confused right now. I mean, I don't even understand you anymore. I thought it was you that brought this to me. See, listen, I had a very, very hectic day at work today. My intention was to come back home and go straight to bed, and then I saw this. I didn't even touch anything. I decided to wait for you to come back so that you and I will celebrate together, and now you're asking me this?
Stop messing with my head. What do you mean you thought it was me that gave you the gifts?
Babe, I am not trying to confuse you, all right? Listen, I know that you and I haven't had the best of marriages, but believe me when I say I am not cheating on you, babe. I am not seeing anyone.
Then someone is trying to steal you away from me.
What are you trying to say?
I'll be right back.
What are you trying to say? Babe?
Sorry, madam, I didn't know you were back.
Maybe I should seize your phone so you can concentrate better.
I'm sorry, ma'am. It's not happening
Who
again.
brought the cake and the gifts in the room?
I did, ma'am.
What was your mission?
I knew you were going to forget about your husband's birthday, so... Especially because of how busy you've been lately, and both of you have not been in good terms for a while, so I decided to do this for you.
You expect me to believe that sob story?
Mom, it's the truth. It actually worked, but I know where it failed from.
And where did it fail?
I was supposed to tell you about it.
And why didn't you tell?
Mom, I tried. I called you a lot of times. You could check your phone, but you were not picking up. I even sent you a text message explaining everything.
Victoria, you could have waited for me outside.
Mom, you can ask Prof. I waited for you for about an hour. I only just came in to take my phone and the entire plan is messed up.
Victoria.
Mom.
Victoria. Victoria. If I find out that you have a thing for my husband,
I did not have an ulterior motive, sir. Believe me.
Of course, I know you did not have an ulterior motive. But you tried to play on my intelligence. As a matter of fact, you did.
I'm sorry.
Listen, Victoria. I know you have good intentions, okay? I know you're a good person, you're kind, you're nice, but you're not in any position to try and fix my marriage. Do you understand?
I just hate to see the both of you drift apart. Honestly, if Chief was here, he would not be happy with this development.
Well, let my wife and I worry about that and not you.
If Chief was alive, all this would not be happening.
Victoria, focus on yourself. My wife and I, on the other hand, will try to fix ourselves. And if it doesn't work, I can always file for divorce. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, I do. I'm sorry.
You can go.
I'm sorry, sir.
Victoria is one manipulative home serpent that I have ever seen on this evolving earth. Madam Betty shouldn't fall for these lies. And as for Mr. Nathan talking about divorce, is he kidding or adulting? This is not a mystery. The end is so predictable, and I won't allow it. Where is my phone? I will confess everything to Madam Betty. And then, it is over. I have to leave.
Mom, you're back so early. Is everything okay?
No, all is not well.
What's the matter?
I want you to go in there, get your things and get the hell out of my house right now.
Mom, I don't understand. If I did something wrong, we could talk about it.
Listen, I do not have time for questions and answers. Do as I have said.
Mom,
Get out of my house!
Mom, I'm sorry.
Out! I do not want to repeat myself again. I have been in the dark. I can't believe I've been so stupid.
I miss the way we used to be when we were inseparable. You and me, the laughter, the joy, the endless talks. Now it feels like we're walking on different blocks. But I won't rest until I find our way.
Victoria, what's happening? What's going on? You didn't tell me that you're traveling.
I'm leaving, sir.
Leaving? What happened?
Your wife sacked me.
What? She sacked you? What did you do?
Sir, she didn't give me the privilege of knowing. She just asked me to pack my things and leave immediately.
So are you telling me that she called you just to sack you?
No, sir.
So how did she communicate with you then?
Sir, she's at home. She's upstairs.
She's upstairs. Fine. I'll go talk to her. Do not move an inch.
Sir, please, just let me go. I don't want to cause problems, please.
I said do not move an inch. Stay right here.
Yes, sir.
Better, what is going on, huh?
Does it seem to you like it's going on?
Did you ask Victoria to leave this house?
Well, yeah, I don't need her services anymore.
Well, but then, I mean, that's fine, but you should have told me about it first.
Well, I employed her without your permission, so I can terminate her employment anytime I deem fit.
Better, whether you like it or not, this is still my house. And I deserve a say in matters like this.
Why are you so upset? Is it because she's your girlfriend?
Oh, please.
Because suddenly you don't care about my work schedules anymore. Why, she keeps your company?
And what is wrong with that?
Are you admitting that to my face?
I am not admitting to anything. I mean, just look at you. I just don't understand you. You want me to keep begging for your attention? Well, newsflash. I got tired. And I decided to find solace in myself, to look after myself. And you are pissed off about that. Am I supposed to drop dead before you do the right thing?
Are you sleeping with her or not?
I am not sleeping with anyone. You can't even find a day or two to spend time with your husband. But you came back, spent and wasted time just to sack a single staff. Is that not an example of misplaced priority?
Well, she's leaving my house today.
That's an example of misplaced priority, and if she has to leave, fine. But on one condition.
Which is?
If she leaves, you pack all of your things and you leave as well.
What?
Yeah, because I said that. And because I'm also sick and tired of you trying to manipulate me and undermine my authority in this house. And I now realize that if I don't do anything about it fast enough, you will turn me into a simple thing in my own house.
And what's that supposed to mean?
You can choose to find out yourself.
How could you do such a thing to me?
What did I do?
How could you report me to Madame?
I did not report you to anybody.
Stop lying. I know you told her about the imagination in your head.
Yes, I did. I said nothing but the truth.
Prof, it's not true. You almost got me fired. That's if I'm not even fired.
I want you. I want you. Didn't I? I told you not to do anything with the boss.
How do I stop doing something that does not even exist, Prof? I mean, you and I, we chat, we talk, we make jokes, we bonded.
We are co-workers. That is understandable. But doing something with the boss is outrageously unthoughtful.
Enough, Prof. See, if I lose my job, Prof, just consider yourself a ghost.
Ghost? You are telling me now you want to erase my being in these surface of the earth?
Maybe.
I think I need to record this fearless threat. I'm out.
Victoria, you can take your stuff to your room now, okay? You're staying.
Thank you very much, sir.
And by the way, next time this sort of thing happens again, be sure to run it by me, okay? Give me a call first before making any move.
She was already suspecting something. I didn't want to give her any sort of confirmation.
I totally understand.
Thank you, sir. I'm so sorry for the fight that I caused.
No, you don't need to apologize. You see, none of this is your fault, all right?
Thank you very much, sir.
You can go to your room.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm changing the game. And if it doesn't work, I guess I'll have to file for divorce.
Come in.
Ma'am, please, can I please talk to you?
What is it?
Ma'am, I swear on your late father, I am not sleeping with your husband. He only bought me those gifts because he was simply being nice. I mean, you buy me gifts as well.
Yes, I do, but my husband buying you gifts without my consent is not applaudable.
Where's the time to seek your consent? You're hardly around. And also, you also buy gifts for Prof as well.
Well, Prof is an old man.
Doesn't change anything.
Wait, are you here to blame me?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, your husband is beginning to develop a thick skin and a cold heart towards you. You really need to do something about this. You've only been married for 6 months and enjoyed just 2 months of it. Do you want things to continue like this?
Well, I try my best. But my job is too demanding.
Can I please suggest something?
Go ahead.
Ma'am, don't you think it's a good idea to hand over to your husband?
But he'll be busy still, so what's the point?
I feel like he'll be able to handle the business like Chief did.
Well, it's my father's business, and I am his next of kin, and not my husband.
Ma'am, I'm not asking you to change that. I'm only saying you should, hand over. It doesn't change the fact that you're still the CEO.
Did my husband send you to me?
No, ma'am. As a matter of fact, he'll be angry with me if he knows I had this conversation with you. Ma'am, I just want you to be happy. I know that's what Chief would have wanted. It's just sad that he couldn't stay longer.
I miss my dad.
Sometimes I just blame myself for everything.
What do you mean you blame yourself for everything?
Good night, ma'am.
Why is your heart beating?
I'm not in the mood for your talks.
Oh. Are you still angry with me? As you've told me you don't have anything to do with our boss. Then I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Prof, my hands are clean. Something is eating me up, and I can't hold it in anymore.
You can confront him, man. I will do anything for you.
You're the worst person I can ever confide in. When it's time for me to leave this house, I'll make the confessions.
Will that get you arrested?
It'll probably get me sacked. But arrested? I'm not sure I'm going to wait for the police to get here.
But I'm totally in dark.
Then go into your quarters and turn on the lights, Prof.
Oh. Over.
Where are you going?
Oh, you're back. Well, I'm off to work.
Work at this time of the night? I don't understand.
You can call it overtime or night shift.
Oh, please stop lying. How can you be running night shifts in a company that belongs to you?
Well, let's just say change itself is constant, right? I've decided to rest more during the day and work at night.
So how are we supposed to blend?
Come on, we've not been blending for several months now, right? I think we're good. It's getting more interesting.
Please, if this is a joke, just stop it.
Darling, take care. I gotta go.
Baby.
Yeah? Bye.
Oh, I don't understand. Why would you choose to work at this time of the night now?
Prof?
Sir.
Prof? Open the gate.
Where are you going at this ungodly hour, sir? Is that an emergency?
Prof, do not question me. Open the gate.
But with my analysis and the experiments...
Prof, forget about your analysis and damn experiments. Open the goddamn gate!
Yes, sir! Sir!
Victoria! 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 Victoria!
I'm here.
Oh, you scared me.
I'm sorry.
Where are you coming from?
I just stepped out to get something.
To get what? Never mind.
Is there something you want me to do for you, ma'am?
My husband told me he was going to the office and...
And do you think I left with him?
I was confused. I need to go and freshen up. Excuse me.
This is our last attempt. I really hope this works. Prof, what happened?
I should be asking you. You live in the house now.
No, I stepped out to buy something. Only for me to come back and started hearing.
Mr. Nathan just step out from the house to the office now.
By this time? That is strange.
Very strange, though. I wish Chief has not kicked the bucket.
The drama, right?
You know, when Chief was still alive, we were living a peaceful life in this house.
Prof, don't cry. It's okay. Don't cry. If you get over this, yeah, it's okay.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night, Prof.
Victoria!
Ma'am.
Okay. I'm off to work, okay? Please take care of the house, okay?
All right, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, have you heard from your husband?
He's not been taking my calls. I don't know what's happening. But please do beep me if he returns, okay?
Okay, ma'am, I will. Okay. All right, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Good
Prof.
morning.
Well, good morning.
I want to talk to you about the drastic display you made yesterday night. I want to talk to you about the negative externalities, which I witnessed with my naked eye yesterday.
Prof, you know the problem I have with you.
Carry on, sir.
You know, I find it difficult to tell when you're serious or not.
Oh, sir, copy that. Can I proceed, sir?
No, sir. I do not want to talk about it. Thank you.
Well, I try my best. But the hypothesis failed. What a pitiable puma. I'm out.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. How's work?
Work went well. Where's my wife?
She has gone to work.
Good.
It's not good. She should have waited for you.
But she didn't.
So what are you going to do?
I'll spend one more night at the office.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan.
Yeah. We are already on the plan. What we're doing now is upgrading it. Anyway, I'm famished. Is there something I can eat?
Yes, I will just set the table.
I'm in freshen up, okay?
Thank you. Welcome, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. Where's my husband? Is he upstairs?
No, he has gone to work.
This is ridiculous. I mean, I haven't seen my husband in 3 days.
Well, that's because he's going to work when you're coming back, and you're coming back when he's going to work.
This is getting out of hand.
It is already out of hand, ma'am. But my joy is the solution to this whole thing is in your hands.
My marriage is hitting the rocks. I have to stop it. I know just what to do.
Please do it.
Oh, I will. I will.
I miss the way we used to.
Good morning, my darling.
Good morning, darling.
Please sit.
Okay. Oh. How come you're at home? You didn't go to work?
Well, I haven't seen my husband in a couple of days, and we both live in the same house. So, yeah, I decided to stay back.
Well, apparently you and I are both busy people, so
So we're going to change that.
change that.
I think we should just take a break from work and concentrate on our family.
Wait a minute. Who are you again? And what have you done with my wife?
I am she. And she is me.
Wow. I just can't believe my ears.
Anyway, I made your favorite for breakfast. You need to go freshen up, okay?
Yeah, of course I should. Are you sure this is not a setup?
No, it's not. Go. Go freshen up. Come on. Go freshen up.
Yeah.
Your favorite is coming.
Yeah. Well, that was a good one. Really enjoyed that. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome. Okay. Maybe I should just tell you.
Tell me. Oh, so there is something on your mind. I mean, I thought as much. So go ahead. What is it you want to tell me?
So I decided to quit as a manager of my father's company.
What? Are you sure about this?
Yes, I thought about it all night and I came to this conclusion.
That must have been a tough decision for you. So who do you intend handing over to?
You, of course.
Me?
Yes, you.
No, babe. Please consider me out of the picture. I'm already running my company and I need to be focused on that. Moreover, I don't want work to take me away from my family.
So what do you suggest?
There are a lot of executives in your firm. You could just pick anyone from top management. It works.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure. I can't do this.
Come on, but my dad did it.
Well, your father was an extraordinary man. He was incredible.
Yes, he was.
As a matter of fact, your father could still add more responsibilities to what he was doing.
Yeah, which is why he chose me to handle the company because he thought I was just like him, and now I've disappointed him.
No. Do not see it as a disappointment, okay? Everyone knows what you're capable of. But you made this decision because You are a virtuous woman and you just want to be close to your family. That's amazing. But then again, you will still feel the need to go back to work. It's fine. I really don't want you to, look idle in the house doing nothing.
Yeah. So, what position or what capacity do you think I would fit in?
Well, something that does not demand too much of your time. I would suggest a general overseer.
You mean like Mommy G.O.?
I am not a pastor, darling. Oh my goodness. Can I have your hand, please? I miss my wife.
And I miss my husband. Hey.
Welcome home, honey.
Thank you.
So, I can't wait. Tell me, how did it go?
Well, I handed over to the necessary people and I left them in charge.
You did.
Yes, I did.
For a second, I did not believe that you were going to carry on with it.
Well, just like I didn't believe you didn't want to take over the company. That's why you kept frustrating me.
Babe, why would you think so little of me?
I'm sorry. I was overwhelmed. Plus, now I know my husband is not like that.
I understand, but it just saddens my heart that you thought about me that way.
But I said I'm sorry now.
It's all in the past now. Plus, I am so glad that you and I are finally back on track. I was actually so scared. I was scared of everything. To a point that even the day that your dad passed on, I went into his room, lurking at every corner, ransacking his drawers, looking for files and documents that would give me a clue.
Why?
I guess I just wanted to know if your father left you in charge of all his businesses.
And what would you have done with that information?
Well, at least I would have tried to talk you out of it.
Gosh, I didn't know you were that scared.
I was so scared. The other day, Victoria caught me in your father's room. I literally felt like a petty thief.
But she didn't tell me.
Yes, no, she did not. And that's when I knew that she could be my trusted ally.
What, so you're working hand in hand now?
Well, not like that, but enough of that, okay, babe? Why don't you go to the room?
Actually, I think we can just stay here and watch a nice movie together.
Well, that's not a bad idea, but then I will not rest until we get you pregnant.
Is it about the pregnancy?
It's about everything. All right, let's go.
Go where?
Finally, we found peace again.
What is the latest discovery by Aristotle?
Well, Madame Bethel has made up with her husband.
You don't mean it.
Yes, she started the process yesterday and it has yielded results.
Wow, that's the good news.
My plan actually worked.
Your plan was for what?
Well, I told our boss to spend the night at the office, even though he went overboard and spent 7 nights. But that's not the important thing. The important thing is that the plan worked. My plan actually worked.
You meant it when you said you want to restore their relationship.
Yes, I did.
That's good. Sorry, I misinterpreted your arithmetic calculative and a lovely move.
It's okay. Sometimes it happens. Although the time has come.
Come forward.
My confession. I called this meeting because I have a confession to make. It's been over a month now, but it's giving me nightmares and I can't hold it back anymore.
So what is it?
I think I killed Chief.
Victoria. What do you mean you think you killed Chief?
Well, because of Chief's health condition, the doctor said he should stop taking alcohol because we never know what glass would be his last.
So you think the alcohol may have killed Chief?
Yes, the glass fell from his hands when he took the last shot. Actually, I was the first person who noticed Chief was dead, but I was too scared to say anything, so I just cleared the whole place and left before anybody would notice.
Come on, Victoria, don't beat yourself up. It's not your fault.
What do you mean?
Yes, I mean, my father wouldn't listen to any doctor. He was too adamant. I'd walked in on him several times, drinking himself to stupor.
Really, I didn't know. I should have looked after him more.
No, like I said, my father would do what he wants to do anyway. He wasn't going to listen to any doctor telling him not to drink. I didn't even think about you, so why worry yourself?
You know what, Victoria? It wasn't the alcohol that killed Chief, okay? It was Chief's time.
Exactly.
So are you saying that I'm free?
Mm-hmm.
It's only the truth that can set you free. As you have confessed. You are free indeed.
Thank you very much, Mr. and Mrs. Nathan. Thank you.
Victoria, you're such a good friend and a good staff. I'm glad our paths crossed.
I'm waiting for a species to call out my nomenclatures.
Prof. You know, Prof, you're actually a very good man. And like a father to us all.
Thank you very much. Mr. and Mrs. Nathan, I'm so glad. I think over and about. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, really. I'll be in my room.
You can go.
Scared for a second.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
I know. We have a situation.
What situation again now? You brought another one. What's going on?
My period is late by 2 weeks.
Oh my goodness! Are you serious? Come here. So we're gonna have a baby. Okay. So he's gonna be Nathan Jr. and that's on a period.
Okay, wait. I think you're a bit too forward right now. I'm not even sure yet. I need to get a test
I
done.
am 100% sure. Okay? Over and out. It's going to be a boy. Mm-hmm. Thank you, baby. Mwah. I love you so much.
I love you too.
I remember the days we would dance in the rain, and how we will never let anything bring us pain. But now it seems like we're drifting apart. I'll do whatever it takes to mend our hearts. I'll be the one to hold you close and never let our love become cold. I'll do all I can to get things back to how they used to be. I'll fight